What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Mommy in Heels. I am back with a new video. Y'all, this video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm actually showing you guys our DIY clearing the trees out of our yard. Yes, we cleared the trees out of my yard and it was a process. It was definitely a process. If you're interested in this video, please hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit your notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from moi. All right, y'all, I want to say right off the bat, please excuse any profanity you may hear in this video. All right. I got my father-in-law and my husband, dear husband, to go ahead and actually work on this project for us. And y'all, the results, I'm not even gonna say anything, just keep watching. All right. Alright, so I got my father-in-law here. He is chopping down some unwanted trees in our backyard. I just pray it don't hit my house. I got my sons over there helping out, or trying to at least. What y'all doing?
Waiting on Pop.
You okay, Pop?
They working.
My Pop is 65
We're gonna try that.
and act like he's still in his 20s. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all a before and after pic. Okay, he's about to cut. He's about to cut. And like I said, I just want to show y'all before and after pics of my yard with the trees. I mean, I'll show before pics and after, but of course, like you can see how many trees we have in our yard so far. All of this is our land. And they did a lot so far, as you can see.
Good?
Okay, which way is it gonna fall?
What? Hold it. Alright. I see a little more leader that way. Which way? Back this way. Towards the house? Yeah. Hold on. Come on. I'm gonna send it. I gotta cut a couple branches off. It's a little branch. I see it open up. The little branch. Yeah, that's the little one. Yeah. Here we go. We got it. You got something to pull. Pull. Let me see something. They about to break the line. No, okay, hold it.
Okay, which way is
No,
gonna
it's
fall?
too much leaning that way. Towards which way? Away from the house? Toward the house. Now what I'm saying, we're gonna lighten up the load a little bit. I'm gonna take this one off. This one off here, that's gonna help. Then we're gonna see mouth for that. Cut a little more off here. Lighten up the load. What you got here is fine. I don't think that rope gonna break, but the angle y'all got on the rope You're putting pressure on it. Okay. You got to go straight back.
Oh, yeah, so this is it from a different angle.
Somebody going to go this way. I got to get away from that. Hey, after that. Yeah. Y'all got to pull on this side. You got to cut it, man. This is heavy back here. Pull the rope. Come all the way back up here and get in between these trees right here. Come on. Y'all in that pine tree right there. Hurry up. Right here? Go around that pine tree, go straight back. Hurry up. That's it. Y'all get on that rope. Y'all got to pull now. We got it. Get in the middle. Get between Johnson. Y'all got that. No, don't move. Don't hurt me. I'll move. There's no stuff my name. Gotta pull. All right. Ready? Okay. All right now. I'm gonna get on this side. All right, Dad. We're not gonna pull until you. Hey, Pop. Pop. We're not gonna cut. We're not gonna pull until you're ready to cut. Because it's heavy. Rope cut in our hand. So you gotta make a decision how you wanna cut it. And when you cut it, we'll pull. When you're ready, tell us.
Cut your hand?
You gotta get it back there.
So they finally got the tree down, but guess what? My worst fear is that it landed on the deck. Luckily it was on the deck and not on the house. It didn't cause any damage, but it is on the deck. See that? Lord, so now they gotta get it down and do something with this tree, y'all.